What is the general formula? What is the general formula in general to calculate friction when the body is in motion? Let us find out. Generally, okay, so if you look at the free body diagram, this is the normal action, force exerted by lower surface on the upper body. This is the gravitational force. This is the frictional force. This is the frictional force. So the angle between the frictional force and normal action is 90. So the friction is proportional to normal action. The proportional constant, the constant of proportionality mu, this mu is called coefficient of friction. It depends on the roughness of the two surfaces which are in contact. That is nature of the two surfaces which are in contact. Usually this mu value can be measured experimentally. So general formula is when the body is in motion, F is equal to mu n, where n is the normal action. In which direction the friction acts? In which direction the friction acts? Friction acts tangent to the surface. This is the tangent to the surface and opposite to the velocity of point of contact. Let us say at this point velocity of the cut towards right, the friction acts towards left. Okay. And also we can also say that it is opposite to the tendency of motion. How many friction types of frictions are there? Static friction, maximum static friction, kinetic friction or dynamic friction or rolling friction. So when there is no relative motion between the two surfaces which are in contact, the frictional force acting on the body is called static friction. So you can say when the body is not moving, this applied force can be equal to the static friction.